Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are taking a class in programming and let's see the scheme of work we have today. So we are starting with types and declarations where we look at Boolean as a data type, integer type, signed and unsigned, floating point types, sizes, void, enumerations, declarations, and assignments. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's go to our code blocks, the basic structure of C++, and yeah, we name this project YouTube assignment. So let's get right into it. So check something here. Sorry for that. Alright, so there's a project I worked on earlier. Yeah. Anyways, let's check something. Okay, so let's get right into it. First of all, let's look at the data types we have, and let's look at Boolean first. So when we say Boolean, we basically, it just has two options, that's true or false. And in C++ programming, let's see how we will use it. Yes, so basically to true and false, for an answer to be true or false, there has to be a question basically in itself. So first of all, we need to ask a question and then we move from there, then we'll see. So let's ask and one thing about Boolean data type is it has to be in lowercase. So you can't do something like this. No, it has to be in lowercase. So we've already declared it. Sorry for that. We've already declared it, so let's ask a question and then use the true or false in the context for us to see. So Amma underscore is a girl. Let's assign it. Sorry for that, guys. Yes, so Amma is a girl. Definitely Amma is a girl. So let's end the line. Alright, that's okay. So if you want to see out this, then we can do that. Girl. Let's build. Yes, luckily enough, there is no mistake in the code written. So let's run it and see. Yes, so the one here is indicating true. In programming, when you see 1, it means true. When you see 0, it means false. Okay, let's make it false and let's see what happens. Remember, it should be in lowercase. Okay, so yes, now let's see the same thing. You run it. Yes, luckily enough for us, there is no mistake. When you run, you see 0. Yes, so that is it. Let's move on from that. Let's move to the next data type. But before we move, I hope we understand the Boolean data type now. It's mainly used for true or false, and for an answer to be true or false, it has to be in a question form, or it has to be in a question, or it has to be a question. Yeah, so for that one, basically that's what you need to know about, and it should be in lowercase. Yeah. Now let's move to the integer data type. Integer data type. Yes, just because it is integer, it doesn't mean you write the whole thing there. Integer, no, that makes it a mere word. But in the library IOStream, integer is identified when you write it in a short form like this. Okay, so the integer data types, it contains whole numbers. When you want to write a whole number, you assign it to the whole numbers, just like what we did here. This is a project I built some time ago. This is it. So you see, sorry, where is it? Yes, this is an integer data type. It's assigned. We'll get into that, but so far this is the integer data type. Yes, so let's get back to our work. Yes, so it's, you assign it to whole numbers. The whole numbers can be negative, but it can't be a decimal. So automatically, once it can be a decimal, meaning it can be a fraction, it just deals with whole numbers, negative and positive. So let's do something. Integer age, and then I assign it to maybe 21, and I end the line. So this is me declaring the data type integer, and then I've assigned it a whole number. Good. So from there we move to now with integer data type we have signed values and unsigned values. Now signed values are the values. Signed values are values that contain negative numbers. Yes, integer data type as a whole consists of both negative and positive whole numbers. So signed, like we can see in this project, signed integer was assigned towards a negative number. So signed integers contain negative numbers, whilst unsigned integers contain positive numbers. So let's try something like that here. Sorry, let's try for the signed first. Signed integer. Should we make it age? Yeah, age is appropriate and simple. No, age can't be negative. Sorry for that. So integer, what can be negative? Any ideas, guys? Integer, let's say account number. Sorry, account balance. Now there is a way I'm writing the variable name here. They have their rules or ways we write them. Yes, so let's change the style a little bit. We can basically write it starting with an underscore, or okay, let's put the underscore in the middle. So account, sorry for that, has to be lowercase. Account balance. Account balance can be negative. So negative, let's say 5,000. We end the line, we move on. So let's do for the unsigned now. Unsigned integer. Here, since here is positive, we can then use the age because age is positive. So unsigned integer age, we can say assign it to age. Let's see, age 15. Sorry for that. We end the line. So guys, that's it. Signed integer account balance. Let's try to see out the signed integer, which is the account balance. Account balance. So we made a mistake here. It's A. Yeah. To see out account balance. We end the line. Let's build it and see. We have errors. Signed integer age. Declaration as integer. So this is what we will do. We'll copy that part of the code, and then we'll find our AI that we are using. We go to our AI, we paste it, we tell our AI to correct the code, and then we move from there. All right. So from here we can see that we have, okay, so here the AI is telling us that our first value, which is the integer age, is automatically by default it's a signed integer type, right? And okay, so let's go back and see if it's similar. Integer is equal to 21. Let's make it exactly the same as what we saw or what is here. Let's try again. So I don't see the mistake. Let's go back. Okay, since age is here, we have to rename this one. Alright, I think I see the problem now. Now we have integer age here, which is basically signed, and then here we have another integer age here. So let's try to rename it. I think that's the issue. Renamed now. We have a few warnings. 9, 10, and 9, 12. Build finished. 0 errors. I think we can still code it. The code block should come. Alright. They named it here another underscore age. So let's do exactly the same thing the AI is telling us to do, and then we take it from there. Let's build it one last time. To make things simple for us, let's just remove this line, build it. We still have a warning. Yeah, I feel that's they are just telling us we've not used this, but we don't want to use that now. We want to use the unsigned integer type, which is the signed integer type, which is the account balance. That's what we want to see out for now. So yes, exactly. So we see it here. This is for the first one. Yeah. So this warning we could ignore. Some of the warnings you can ignore. So same way, let's try to see out. Since we've removed the previous, we can name it like this, and then that's okay. Let's build this. Yes, so you see we have the same issue here. Let's run it and see if we'll see our value 15. Exactly. That's okay. So guys, this will be okay for now. We went through Boolean and we went through integer data type, that's signed and unsigned. So in our next video we will look at the other data types. So goodbye for now. I hope you understood everything here. If any questions, leave it in the comment section for us. Thank you and goodbye for now. Yes.